Greetings from the beach. Let's check in with Teresa and find out which beach she's visiting now. Hey Teresa, where are you?
I think we kind of flipped a coin, took a different road, and we looked to find a beach that was pretty. We found this one. There was no fee for parking, but aside from that, it's immaculate, and it's the answer to anyone's prayer.
And you're visiting Lookout Point Beach here in Hempstead, Long Island, Nassau County. Thank you, Teresa. And you saw some beautiful flowers on the way, did you not?
Beautiful, beautiful. It was good.
Yeah, we saw some, what was it, a daisy growing in the sand?
A miracle.
Thank you, Teresa. Speaking of miracles, look at this beautiful view. Welcome to the beach, and here is your July summer sunset. Small wooden boardwalk. And what's really nice that I've never seen anywhere else other than right here, the surprise at the end of this boardwalk, and I'm not talking about the blue cans or even the amazing view past the blue cans. It is to our left. Now, what I love about this is it keeps the kids from the community involved. This is from the Drexel Avenue Elementary School in Westbury, New York. And here's a please keep our beach clean sign. As you can see, it was from the school in the town of Hempstead. I mean, if you're going to have to put a sign up, why not have the kids draw one? It really adds some charm that I like a lot. Now, believe it or not, I've never seen children's art on display at the beach. And I think that that was just a really wonderful addition. Now, if you were to continue down this beach in the direction that I'm showing you, you would be at Long Beach. Here's some more view of the sun. And if you were to go in this direction, you would be heading towards Jones Beach, Montauk, the Hamptons, Fire Island. And if you're heading this way, you are going swimming. Now there normally is a fee to park your car here during earlier hours, but we're here around sunset tonight. So there is, like Teresa said, we had no fee to park. We were not planning on coming, we just saw it. We said, oh, let's check out this beach. It's always nice to see places, especially when they're this beautiful, that you've never seen before. Now, the 4th of July celebrations were just last weekend, so that could be why the beach is a little quiet today. Look at the blue in the water reflected off the clouds. Just a beautiful summer day. And now, here is your 360-degree view of the beach. Till next time, from the beach.